Hello, everyone. This is in continuation to our subject Quantitative Techniques, which is based on NEP syllabus. We will be seeing some more important questions in this fifth part. First one, what is the divisibility rule of 8? Give example. So we can say a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits means, I will put it like, a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Example, 16789352 is divisible by 8 since the last 3 digits, that is 352, is divisible by 8. Another example, which is not divisible, number 576484 is not divisible by 8 since the last 3 digits, that is 484, is not divisible by 8. So that is the definition of, or you can say test for divisibility of 8. We'll move on to the next question. What is the LCM of 36225? 36 divided by 225, 48 divided by 150, 72 divided by 65. So LCM of the given fractions is equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. Let us first find out LCM of numerators. 36, 48, 72 is what? Let us do the common divisibility method. So all are divisible by 2, 218, 224, 36. Again 2, 9, 12, 18. All are divisible by 3. So we can write 3, 4, 6, then 2, 3, 2, 3. Now we'll consider 3, 1, 2, 1. Now we'll consider 2, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM will be 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 square. That will be 16 into 9, which is 144. Now we need to find out HCF of the denominators. Denominators are 225, 150, 150, 65. So for that, we will factorize each one. First 225, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 5, 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9. Then 150, 5, 30, 5, 60, 5, 6, then 2, 3. Next is 65, 5, so 5, 513. That's all. So we can write 225 as 5 square into 3 square. 150 as 5 square into 3 into 2. 65 as 5 into 30. This indicates that the HCF will be 5. Only that's all, 5 only. HCF is 5. So we can go back and write down the LCM of the given fractions will be 144 divided by 5. That will be the solution for this question. Let us move on. What is the square root of 5184? Let us do it in two parts. First one is square root of 5184. 5184. From the last unit digit, 10 digit, put a comma. So two digits. First one, 7. 7 sevens are 49. Here we get 2. Then copy that next to 2 digits. 7 twos are 14. Now we can put 2, 2. 2 twos are 4, 28. We got 0. Therefore, square root of 5184 is 72. Second part of the question, we need to find cube root of 97336. For that, we will have to factorize 97336. First, consider 2. 2 fours are 8. 1, 2 8s are 16. 1, 2 6 are 12. 1, 2 6 are 12. 1, 8. Again, considering 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 3s are 3s are 4. Again 2. 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. 7s. This is divisible by 23. We get 529. Again 23, we get 23. So we can write the cube root as 2 cube multiplied by, 97,366. That's, sorry, 336 can be written as 2 cube into 23 cube. Since we need cube root, I will take to the power of 1 by 3, which is 2 multiplied by 23. So we get 46 as the result. So that is the solution for this. Next one, find the value of logarithm of 15 by 16 minus logarithm of 27 by 45 plus logarithm of 48 by 75. So we will rewrite this as 15 can be expressed as 5 into 3. 16 can be written as 2 power 4 minus logarithm of 27 can be written as 3 cube. 45 can be written as 5 into 3 square, which is 9. So 5 9s are 45. So that's why we wrote 3 square. Plus logarithm of 48 can be written as 16 into 3. 16 is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3. 75 is nothing but 25 into 3. 25 is 5 square into 3. Now we can cancel this with this. We can cancel this and make it 3. That's all, right? So now this can be further simplified as logarithm of AB in the numerator. So it is log A plus log B minus logarithm of 2 power 4 minus log of 3 by 5. That can be written as log 3 minus or minus, it becomes plus log 5 plus logarithm of 2 power 4 minus logarithm of 5 square. So this can be simplified. This one can be cancelled directly. Now, log 5 plus log 5, this one and this one, we get 2 log 5. Log 3 minus log 3 can be cancelled. Minus logarithm of 5 square can be written as 2 logarithm of 5. So 2 log 5 minus 2 log 5 is nothing but 0. So 0 will be the answer for this.